What's this?
Carrot patch.
Can I got a plate?
Must put this one you have to put on your clothes. When we're going into the forest, when we're going to places with mosquitoes, right? You have to put on your shirt, okay?
I got a plate. Can I open it now?
Not yet.
No.
Why don't you look at other gifts first?
I want to open it now.
You will end up tearing it. Later I will show you. What is that?
I got this.
Oh, this is the red. Remember the small one? Now it's big one. So we can use.
What is that, Tasnima?
Oh no. Toothpaste.
It's not what?
I also got red lights.
Yes.
Let's open this thing.
You don't like that?
You need to open this bag too. That's your Children's Day goodie bag. See, it's written here from Teacher Iza, Teacher Vidya, and Liao Lao Shi.
Hey, how to open it?
There's a zip.
Is this it?
Remember, you're supposed to be a superhero for your Children's Day?
Yeah. This is the one. Ma, this is the one.
Nice. Must be a superhero for Children's Day.
It's a lot of candy. And the
This one also must put on your
Ma,
shirt.
open for me. Strawberry. Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
This is a cake or what?
Yep.
It's a cake. It's a cake, you know. This one, Twisties.
This. What's this? I haven't touched this before. Just spicy.
No.
It's so spicy.
No, this is not spicy flavor. It's a chicken flavor.
Chicken.
I put it on this plate. Where?
Here. This?
Huh?
You didn't wash it. See, there's a frozen stationery pack here.
The food is delicious now.
Thank you.
So I added a bit more spice. Yeah. Without sugar.
This is a beautiful hand sanitizer.
How to open it?
Are you happy?
This should be protein. It should be protein. Auntie Puja. Are you send Auntie Puja?
Good, how to buy. Mama, I'm going to open this for them.
Zip.
Apply and jump.
Then how to open without zip?
Try one twisty lah. It's very nice. pencil. A pencil case inside a pencil.
Hasma, see, this is a first aid kit.
Want to see what's inside?
Yeah.
Very cool.
See.
Wow.
It has a list of items that inside it. See?
We know there's many first aid kits. Wow. Cotton buds for bleeding.
Okay,
Close.
close.
What's it?
Nice?
Very good. Many tire.
Hand sanitizer.
Ah.
Why didn't you open that container
This.
that looks like a submarine or a rocket?
Yeah.
I'll be yours so then you don't open it. Okay?
Done.
Now we have to figure out what it is. Oh!
Oh,
It's a water bottle lah.
water bottle. Really?
No, it's an air freshener. I think it's an air freshener.
Doesn't look like it.
Air freshener smell.
Let me smell.
No, it's not. It's a container
Let me
or
smell. Let me smell.
something.
Let me smell. Smell it. Cool.
Some give to me for what? Free.
Maybe it's air freshener.
It has to be standing this way.
Mm-hmm.
What is it called?
And
It's a submarine. See?
It's just a toy. How are we supposed to figure it out?
I no.